Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Kayle League of Legends, easy method. Begin by farming safely until level 6. Prioritize Q for wave clear and E for trades. Buy Nashor's Tooth first, then Rabadon's and defensive boots for survivability. Use your ultimate to save allies or secure kills, look for teleport plays, manage positioning in teamfights, and adapt build versus heavy AP or AD teams. Practice combos in normals and review replays for steady improvement. Focus on early survivability and consistent gold income to reach your power spike. Harass when you can, but never trade when outnumbered or without jungle vision. At level 6, your playstyle changes. Look for roams or safe all-in angles. Communicate with teammates before teleport or ultimate saves and watch enemy cooldowns. Small mechanical practice on kiting and timing your E will make your climbs smoother and more rewarding. Keep learning. Quick recommendation: if you like cleaner time, consider the Robot Face Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control to free time for more games. If this video helps, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and future guides. Check the description for the link and other deals to save on yours. It fits small apartments and schedules and reduces chores so you can focus on improving gameplay. Thanks for sticking around. Now let's get back to the video. Once you hit mid-game, focus on wave management, objective control, and grouping at dragons or baron. Use your range to pressure side lanes and force favorable fights around vision. In late game, peel for carries, time your ultimate to negate burst, and target isolated enemies with R. Keep items adaptive to enemy threats and stay calm during resets. Clear minion waves between fights to consistently maintain pressure and baron setups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.